Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and the lock I have for you today is this Euro cylinder. It was made by a company named Fuaro, and you can clearly read the company name here. I believe it's a Chinese company, but marketed as an Italian one. I don't have a key for this lock, but as far as we see, it's clearly a dimple lock with 1, 2, 3, 6 pins inside and pretty open keyway. I believe there might be some kind of security pins too. The lock is partially disassembled, as you can see, but on this side there was only a thumb turn, so it doesn't affect picking. I will try to pick this lock open, and if I succeed, I will gut it and we'll see what's inside. I will use my homemade pick for dimple locks. And by the way, some of you asked, what material do I use for picks? Here is the answer. I prefer steel rulers, because they are very durable, yet springy. And it's a very good material to make picks, I think. And we got this lock open. It was not very difficult, but I think it required some kind of skill. Let's gut this cylinder and see what's inside. Here are my tools. By the way, great tools, highly recommended. Let's pull the circlip out. Oops, I have bound up the core, but it's not a problem. I will use my pick just to push on the pins. Yeah, we got the core unbound, so let me actually pull it straight away. Oh, I can hear some pins. So on the core itself, I can't see any countermilling here, even no anti-drill features, so nothing interesting here. Now you finally can see the pins. I will also put the image of the pins here. There are standards in pin chambers 1, 2, 4 and 6. There are however 2 spools in chambers 3 and 5. The springs are all standard, just steel springs, pretty heavy I have to say. Nothing very interesting on the core. And here we cannot see anything interesting as well. Not bad for a cheap core that sold hundreds of thousands of copies. I will modify and reassemble this lock, and I think I'll make a challenge lock out of it. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please tap like, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in comments. Stay safe, have a great evening, and see you in the next video.